So here we have a whole mess of cables and wires. This is, I think, my final wiring I need to do. I wired in two 3.5 millimeter jacks. One is for turning power on and off, and that is going to require a toggled switch. So one that stays on or off, not a momentary. And then there's another one which is momentary for switching whichever device you are currently controlling over Bluetooth. So if you look at this setup, this green cable is going over to a test switch I have here. This is just a push button switch. The gray cable, which does the power, is connected to this little on and off push button switch that I make. So right now it's currently on, and it's currently paired to the first device, which happens to be my phone. And let's see what else is tied in here. So we have power coming in here. We have our RJ45 going up to the head unit. We have the two jacks for the switches, and then I have a touchpad plugged in to the USB port. And of course, because for reasons completely unknown, Android defaults the cursor to black, which is very hard to see, but you could see it moving there right now. Now, if I press the button, and this will be your primary button for pairing, so to pair, you hold this button down and pair the device. These two devices are already paired, so I'm going to click over to 2, and you'll see that the second LED here is now switched over. It flashes for a second until it's paired, and it is successfully paired. It shows up as this Miaying X12, whatever that means. And now if I do the touchpad, you can see, there we go. That's connected. So it looks like the wiring is in pretty good shape. I know it looks crazy right now, but it'll be nice and neat. All the stuff will be coming out to one side here. What I did just order, I'm going to try out, is they do have RJ45 network cable in like thin, flexible kind of, this is old stuff that I had to have. This yellow cord is a real old I had on hand, and it's bulky. But I ordered a flexible one, which should be here tomorrow, which will hopefully make everything cleaner. So I just have to do the design to hold the two jacks and then button this up. And if everything continues to work, then I'll move on to printing the enclosures in black and doing the nice to have stuff like the light pipes here to make it clearer here. So looking real good. I've got it toggling at least between my phone over here and my tablet over here. The toggling is working fine, and the on-off button works like an on-off button. So now it's off. Nothing's lit up there. Powered it on, and it's on. And then let me switch over. Takes a second to pair. It really is a neat device, I gotta say. I mean, for the functionality, if you need something that switches a keyboard and mouse to multiple Bluetooth devices, not at the same time, but to toggle between them, really, really handy. Again, I've looked and looked to see if other manufacturers make it. I haven't seen it. If you've seen other versions of this, let me know. So that's it for now. Thanks.